Here is the booth of another historical brand injection molding machine manufacturer originated from Hong Kong. Not only the injection molding machine, they are also famous for their automation solutions like CNC center and also die casting. Because of a Tesla Model T, their 6,000 ton die casting machine is get famous overnight because they are the supplier of Tesla Model T to produce the uniformed frame for Tesla or electric cars. This it is by this brand, IMM. Brand originated from Hong Kong, China, around 30 years ago. It's a representative of the top injection molding machine and the die caster machine from China. Also, it's a turnkey automation solution provider.